Eric Mwathe, the second day of October 2013. This is how markets are trading about 8 minutes into the session. Dow called down about 77 points. We'll see how the day is going to close. Very early on, hard to tell where we're going to be trending for the rest of the day. What I want to discuss here is take a look at the chart for the VIX. What you'll notice here is, very interestingly enough, is this area about 1750 has really been a good tell of what the market is going to do short term. Every time we've come to this level here and stalled, that was a good time to go long the market. We came back here, tried to move above this area here, and eventually would break down there, which was a nice entry point in the market. Again, we tried to do the same thing in August and stalled precisely at about that 1750 area, and this was a nice place to re-enter the market. You'll notice right now that as of Friday's move, the market hit precisely that same level of about 1750 and stalled. So if the VIX is going to do well short term, then obviously it has to clear that level of about 1750. So I think we need to watch that for the VIX to really put pressure on the market to the downside. It needs to blast above that 1750 area. Also, this level on the RSI on the daily has been magnificent at calling the turnaround in the VIX and entry points back into the market. You see that it has not been able to move above that level, and as of right now trading around that level. So the only way the VIX does well short term is if the RSI can blast out of this range. Otherwise, if it stalls around here like that, let me draw that another way. So if the VIX was to stall here, that's going to be a reason to be bearish on the VIX and bullish for the market. Otherwise, if it breaks out, like I said, that's what we need to watch for. Price breaking out above that 1750 area, and also for the VIX RSI to move above that level. So quickly here, take off that. If we take a look at the VIX from a weekly chart, what we see here is, for the first time, the VIX is trying to move out of this I call it a multi-year weekly trend line right there. So it's right now above that. So this could be the beginning of something. Also notice that the 10-week moving average is moving above the 33-week moving average. The last time we had similar action was in the middle of 2011, which was this break here. And you see what happened. The market had a big drop summer of 2011, and you see how the VIX exploded. So we are looking like we might be doing similar thing here with this trend probably being repeated here. We'll see what happens. For this to really be successful for the VIX, it does need to push above this RSI level on the weekly, the RSI top lines. Now quickly, I'm going to take a look at the S&P 500 daily here. And what I'm watching for here is, yesterday the market had a nice day because the RSI moved above 50. Today we seem to be moving back below 50. That could be the opening for a big down day. Eric Mwathe, good luck, peace, and blessings.